rank 1 kami, I think may game advantage kasi lower rank yung mga kalaban. Pero tingin ko, ito yung time na hindi na pwedeng mag-relax talaga kasi puro may lockout din na, na mangyayari. So, I think, ito yung part na talaga dapat yung 110% namin, ibigay na namin. Kasi tapos na elimination. So, magpe-prepare kami for quarter final.
Thank you, Boss. And for Adeline, 16 points in this game for Greenland.
Wow.
Medyo intense yung second set, pero nakuha niyo pa rin yung panalo. So, personally lang ba, ano yung naging motivation mo heading into this game?
Personally, my motivation was our practices. During our training kasi, head-to-head din talaga yung mga counter-attacks namin. So I think we were able to actually implement everything na pinractice namin to the game today. So yun ang motivation namin. Kasi kung gaano kahirap yung practice, sana madala namin yung napag-aralan namin dito sa game. So luckily, fortunately, we finished that long second set.
Thank you. And for Tots, you had 18 points in this game. Nung second set, ikaw din yung isa sa bumuhay sa team. So ano lang yung feeling na ito nga nakuha nitong panalo against Canaries?
Well, same with Adeline, we're happy na nakabawi kami dun sa nakuha namin yung second set. And coach has been telling me then kung anong gagawin. Like, yun, medyo nakita niyo madaming drop balls ako na ginawa this game. Minsan, niremind niyo lang ako kasi minsan nakakalimutan ko kasi sa training pag naglalaro kami hindi na nag-work yung drop ball talaga. Kasi grabe talaga yung laro kahit kami lang yung magkakalaban. So, yun, I would say it's because of Coach Sherwin na ginaid niya rin ako personally dun sa game na to. And hinayaan niya lang din kami na mag-decide kung ano yung mga gagawin namin at the moment nung time na yun. So, yun, at the end of the day, yun nga, paulit-ulit kami yung sistema ni Coach Sherwin, pero sa totoo lang talaga, nag-work talaga siya for us, so we just keep on doing it.
Yes.
Thank you. And for us, open for questions.
Sa players, after mag-fall short nung against PLDT nung Saturday, paano lang kayo nag-bounce back? Ano lang yung mindset niyo papunta this game?
Huh?
Yung players yan.
Honestly, I think we've been through different losses din naman throughout conferences. But that was actually something na masasabi namin na at the end of the day, wake-up call talaga. But we were humbled by that loss at the end of the day. So we worked harder the next day and make sure na gagawin namin yung trabaho namin ang roles namin. So, even if with that loss, siguro we would say na we have so many things to improve on pa as a team. So, it was a good loss for us, if that makes sense.
Yeah, same with Adeline. I think I would, like, personally, yung mga losses namin, I always take them as learning. Kasi, like, for me personally, medyo iba yung mindset ko since I came from an injury. So, of course, I'm sad na natalo kami, but also at the same time, minomonitor ko rin kasi yung laro ko, yung progress ko. So, every loss naman namin, every game, it's a learning for me, and yun nga, natutuwa ako na may mga progress ako na nakikita sa sarili ko. But with the team, I think we all know kung ano naman yung mga pagkukulang namin. Yun nga, sabi niya Adeline, at sila Coach Sherwin naman, I think maganda rin na na-experience namin yung ganong klaseng game before the knockout game. So, yun, lagi naman din ganun yung mga coaches namin na we learn from the loss, but also don't forget that we still have more games and more important games. So yun yung i-focus namin.
For Adeline muna, for tonight, 16 points, but you also had 7 bigs and 7 receptions. So parang throughout this conference so far na even if hindi man laging sa scoring yung contribution mo, parang how hard did you work on defense din over the time that you were recovering para makabalik for this one?
Well, I would say siguro how hard it was. Binibigyan na ako ng mga tips ni Coach Sherwin. ganun na siya nasa-stress sa akin.
Lagi siya target.
Lagi ako target sa training lahat. So, honestly, I think yun yung isa sa mga important things na kung nag-improve man ako sa digs and sa services ko, it was because of Coach Sherwin. The minor details, he actually tells me it actually works and it helped me improve my game. So, thank you, Coach Sherwin. And, nagpaano na dito. So, yun lang. So, I'm just really happy na kahit pa paano, nadadala ko rin siya sa game. So, thank you, Lord. And alam mo, inspiration ko yung mga teammates ko kasi talagang lagi nila akong target even in practices. Every single day. So, maraming salamat sa mga effort ng mga teammates ko. And being patient. Thank you.
Sa post siya, isa.
Totoo naman.
Yung isa, Mr. Fine.
For thoughts naman, coming from an eager din bumabalik ka. Parang kumpara to sa previous conferences, mas magaan sa'yo yung gantong role na hindi yung tipong super babad, hindi yung super pagod, pero every time you step in naman, yung contribution mo very valuable. Parang kung itong transition phase ba ito, mas tingin mo nakakabuti din sa'yo so far?
Siyempre, last playing time, kumbaga yung book sa forward, mas less. Kasi si Coach naman, sobrang, uy, ano ba?
Trabaho na tayo.
Pero yun, ako na-appreciate ko yung ganong sistema ni Coach Sherwin na alam niya kung kailan kami ipapahinga and alam niya kung kailan kami papalaruin. Kasi nga, constant naman yung mga communication namin regarding our condition. So, yun, natutuwa ko kasi si Coach Sherwin, alam niya na paano kami gamitin and alam niya na kung kailan.
Bawal na magpahinga.
Bawal na magpahinga kasi alam sa. Pero yun
Tapos
yung natutuwa ko kasi na-appreciate ko na sobra na pag kailangan po namin na magpahinga, hinahayaan niya kami as long as we deliver and we execute pag games na and alam niya na ibibigay namin yung 100% namin. So,
alam mo ba, Coach?
si Bossing talaga yun.
Alam mo ba, Coach?
Okay, so kanina you said na PLDT was really a wake-up call and there's a lot of things na kailangan yung improve. So I guess, so it's top of mind. Ano sabihin mo yung kailangan pagpagtuunan ng pansin ng Finland, especially heading into the qualifier?
I think most of the, we will take it one game at a time. But definitely, I think one of the skills na improve ng halos lahat would be the system and the blocking it. So I guess we're gonna work on our counter attacks pa rin. And basics, disiplina, most definitely sa sistema namin. So may mga sistema kami na kailangan pa rin namin ma-perfect. And basic, most definitely, pag free ball, pag mga mahihinang bola, at the end of the day, kailangan pa rin namin siyang kahit pa paano ma-perfect din. So yun yung mga minor details, but will help us in the end of the game, and yun yung magmamatter lalo na pagdikitan. So we'll work on that counter attacks and the basic balls.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you.
Asa